It was very fun working with this amazing sauce. Yes, we did our holiday training. It was beautiful and lovely. So today's video, I'm showing you how we decorated this simple cake, how we made the little butter icing from A to Z. We'll be decorating the cake to the end. So stick to this video to the end and make sure you watch to the end of this video. If you want to know how I baked this cake, the video is already on my channel. I posted it, I think it's 4 days ago or 3 days or 5 days ago. Feel free to check it out. Looking so beautiful and nice. Okay, let's start. Folks will prepare the buttercream. For this buttercream, if you want to have the correct measurement of the buttercream, is 1 kg of icing sugar to 400 grams of margarine. But here I'm using 250 margarine to 1 kg of icing sugar. Reason because it was unavailable. That was the only margarine available. So if you want the correct measurement, go for your 400 grams of margarine to 1 kg buttercream to 1 kg icing sugar. Cream your margarine a little and you start adding in your icing sugar. Please make sure you sieve the icing sugar. Very important. Add a little. When it's looking stronger, you drop some water. Yes, normal water is what we are using. So after adding all the icing sugar, just remain a little that we'll use lastly for the topping. So right now add half tablespoon of vanilla flavor. This is a regular flavor. If you're using industrial flavor, please add 1 teaspoon. Cream very well and you're good to go. So it's time to crumb coat our cake. Remove a little buttercream with another bowl for the crumb coating and set the bigger one aside to avoid cake crumbs entering inside. After laying all our cakes, we decided to trim, taking our time because we baked this day and decided to decorate the same day. Yes, so we'll take our time gently, little as we trim the cake. The cake was so soft. Some people don't like crumb coating their cake. It is very wrong. Crumb coating is an important aspect in cake decoration, both fondant decoration and for buttercream decoration. So it helps you to hold back the cake crumbs firm before you do the final coating for the buttercream. But for the fondant, it helps your fondant to stick on your cake. You see, it's so important. Please don't skip crumb coating your cake. So after crumb coating our cake, we will do the last coating, just adding all the remaining buttercream in a piping bag, in 2 different piping bags, and we'll start piping. If you're a beginner, the first time of icing with buttercream, this is the easiest way you can do it. Just by packing your icing sugar on your piping bags and you pipe round and scrape. This is the easiest method to learn how to decorate with buttercream. Right here, we're trying to manage the buttercream. It wasn't enough, yes. Like I told you before, I used 250 grams of margarine instead of 400 because we don't have much left available, so I have to manage it. You can see that's the end of the buttercream, so I managed any manageable to make this a success. So if you use the complete recipe, that's 400 grams of margarine to 1 kg of icing sugar, it will be more than enough for you to decorate this cake. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video, please join this lovely family. I cook, I bake, I do different pastries. I know you will love to watch. So feel free to subscribe to my channel. Join this lovely family by only clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my newest video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. And to my old subscribers, thank you so much for coming back again today to watch this beautiful video. And please don't forget to like this video. You can see we're able to manage the buttercream to the end. This is coming out so pretty and lovely. Don't forget to like this video. This is so beautiful. Finally, we are done. Looking so pretty and lovely. So simple. Look at my students. We have to take photograph in front of our lovely cakes. We are so happy. The sight of the cake was making them so excited.
Cake, you are very perfect. The cake is so soft. Cake, you are my life. Amen.
Cake is your life. Nah.
So as you're cutting,
You can see how beautiful the inside is.
Wow.
But how does it taste?
Yes, how does it taste?
Yes, it's beautiful, but how does
Thanks a million for watching this video to the end. Thanks so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a million. Bye bye.